Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, my friends. I'm Santa Claus, and today I'm sharing some jolly good tips on how to choose the perfect Santa Claus hat. Now, not all hats are created equal. Ho, ho, no. When you're picking your Santa Claus hat, look for one that's soft, fluffy, and fits snugly without slipping down over your eyes. You wouldn't want to trip over the reindeer. Choose a hat made with plush velvet or fleece. It keeps you cozy at the North Pole or anywhere winter winds blow. And don't forget that fluffy white trim. It's my favorite part. A real Santa hat always has a pom-pom that bounces. It should be big, soft, and ready for a good ho-ho-ho jiggle. Make sure your hat sits comfortably. If it's too tight, you'll get Santa hat hair, and that's not very jolly. There are hats for everyone. Little elves, big elves, even pets. Try matching hats for your whole family. It makes Christmas photos extra magical. So there you have it, my merry hat buying tips. Whether you're spreading cheer at home or out caroling, wear your Santa Claus hat with pride, and don't forget to smile. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.